Today we are going to look into the most useful array method in JavaScript, and that is map array method. Map array method does not modify the existing array, it returns a new array. It accepts a callback function, and that callback function accepts 3 parameters inside. The element represents a single element inside the array, and this callback function executes for every element inside the array and return the specific property that on the base of the condition. So for example, here we are getting the email, only email, and we are skipping name, ID, and we are not getting them, and inside and storing these emails inside the email. So we just converted the array of objects into another array with the specific properties. Let's take a look at another example, API response, where we are getting this data, user ID, name, and DOB. Our requirement is we need to somehow modify this data. Like for example, instead of user ID, I want a property ID, and instead of name, I want a full name, and DOB, we want to calculate the age. So here you can see we just utilize the map method and returning an object with our desired specific properties. So I just map them out: ID, user ID, full name, user.username, age, and we are calculating the age based on the current year, the get full year minus user.DOB. And now in the output you can see that we are getting the data based on our specific object. The third example, we have the array of objects with the name and the price, and now in this case we are utilizing the filter array method as well as map. Filter and map do not modify the existing array, and filter returns the element based on the specific conditions. So here we just put the condition product.price less than equal to 500. Let's take a look at the execution, how it executes. For example, we just apply the filter and we are getting an array with the filter base. For example, product.price, which is the first one will get skipped, first element will get skipped because the price is 1,000 and 1,000 less than equal to 500, which returns false. Okay, now we are getting 2 products inside the filter array, and now after that we just chain it with the map method, and after the map method getting applied, we are only getting the name from the array that we get. So after that we have this output phone and tablet, which are the affordable products in our array. So this is how you can map the you can transform the data, you can get the specific properties with the use of map. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did not subscribe this channel yet, I would recommend you to subscribe this channel and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next lecture.